Whenever we go for machine learning modeling, there are two things that we have to take care of. The first is parameters and the second is hyperparameters. तो क्या होते हैं ये parameters and hyperparameters and what are their differences? Parameters are something internal to the model that is determined based on the optimization of the model. जैसे कि हम एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं, अगर एक लीनियर रिग्रेशन या फिर एक स्ट्रेट लाइन इक्वेशन y = mx + c. So the parameters for this equation, the slope and the intercept, are determined based on the optimization of the line, based on fitting the straight line, right? You understand what the parameters are? They are specific to a particular model, determined based on the optimization, right? Hyperparameters on the other hand are something which are kind of constraints imposed on the modeling. For example, if we consider a decision tree, the depth of the decision tree is something that we decide before modeling. That is a hyperparameter. In k nearest neighbor, the number of nearest neighbors to consider is decided before we go for modeling. So that is a hyperparameter. Hyperparameters are decided by the machine learning engineer or the one who is modeling and not based on any optimization. So based on parameters and hyperparameters, machine learning algorithms are classified as parametric and non-parametric. Parametric models are those where we have certain parameters in the model which are to be optimized. For example, linear regression, which has the parameters of slope and intercept. Logistic regression, which has certain parameters based on, again, the coefficients of the different components of the logistic regression. On the other hand, certain algorithms such as k nearest neighbor do not have any parameter. We do not have anything to optimize. It is simply based on the majority voting of its neighbors. We only have hyperparameter in the case of k nearest neighbor. Again, in the case of decision trees, we do not have any parameters as such which we have to optimize. Now you understand the difference between parametric and non-parametric models, as well as the difference between parameters and hyperparameters. Hope you will be able to understand and utilize this concept better now. If you find the content valuable, don't forget to subscribe, stay tuned, hit the bell icon and press the like button. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.